What can our professional soft washers do for your home? Soft washing is an essential service for homeowners these days. A home soft wash service removes mold and algae from the surface of the exterior. Our goal is to clean as gently as possible so hard scrubbing doesn't have any negative effects on your home's appearance in the long run. Mold, mildew, and algae can cause serious health problems if not treated immediately. Soft washing kills living organisms that can cause odors, burning eyes, or breathing problems. By removing these substances, soft washing contributes to a healthier living environment. Our soft washing methods utilize low-pressure technology combined with environmentally safe cleaning agents. These biodegradable solutions effectively break down dirt, mildew, and algae without causing harm to the surrounding landscaping or contributing to water pollution. With our soft washing service, you can have peace of mind knowing that you are choosing a cleaning method that not only delivers outstanding results but also aligns with your values of environmental consciousness and property preservation. Our soft washing method utilizes low-pressure water and environmentally safe detergents to clean your exterior surfaces. Our eco-friendly and biodegradable solutions won't hurt you, your family, your pets, or your exterior spaces. If you have moss, mold, or algae on your home, consider us for your home soft washing services and get your home back to healthy and looking new again.